Welcome to our Commission Creator Review video. Do you know that to make affiliate commissions you'd need to find out the best converting offers in the #1 niche, then you must write dozens of reviews with high-value bonuses. Do you know that to get free traffic you'd need a social following on all the big sites like FB, Twitter, Pinterest, Instagram and YouTube? Do you know that to build a buyer's list you'd need high-value software to give away as lead magnets, which would cost you over $10,000? Do you know that to have passive income you'd need a website of your own, designed by an expert, filled with content, banners and affiliate links, and hosted on pro servers? But do you know one bitter truth about going into affiliate marketing? A large percentage of people end up not making any commission at all. What if you don't need to spend 3 hours a day to learn complicated new skills? What if you don't have to pay for a website, hosting or any of the fancy tools you need to build a list? What if you didn't want to wait months to see results, because you needed money now? Here is what we found out in this Commission Creator review. Commission Creator is an app that allows you to clone the creator's $497 per day affiliate site to create commissions with ClickBank, JVZoo and W+, in just one click. You can click on the link on the description below to get instant access to Commission Creator. Commission Creator app lets you forget all the guesswork. Forget all the headaches that come up with WordPress, blogging, content generation, writing, domain names, hosting, list building, social media and blogging. All you really need to profit is 1K per day offers to promote evergreen products that will always make money, short and sweet reviews that pre-sell and then drive your visitors right to your buyer links with high-value bonuses, ideally software, that are worth more than the offer you're promoting. A list of your own, either via email marketing or the big social networks, or ideally both a high-converting website that puts all of this together, and of course, traffic, ideally buyer traffic that makes everything so much easier. Just follow the link on the description below to get instant access to Commission Creator. Commission Creator hands you a 100% done-for-you website for creating instant commissions, without the headache. All-in-one affiliate, list building and social website builder. Preloaded with 100x of my top converting campaigns. All you need to do is replace the creator's affiliate links with your affiliate link. Make commissions, build your list, create a social following, and get traffic at the same time. $20,000 of software to use as bonuses or list building giveaways. Cloud-based app, nothing to install, just log in and go. Now here's what's included today. An instant done-for-you website, designed to profit. You keep 100% of the commissions. Preloaded with all of my most profitable evergreen affiliate promotions this year. I'll still be promoting these all year alongside you, and profiting every day. Professionally written reviews for each offer. These make commissions, especially when they are coupled with my vault of $20,000 software bonuses. Keep reading. 60x built-in 100% free traffic to share your site and links from your browser. Plus build your list and social following vault of 10x software tools. In the internet marketing niche, that cost me $20,000 to build. Use these yourself. Give them away as bonuses for people who buy through your affiliate link. Give them away to get people to sign up. Even resell them outside your site. Zero ongoing costs or headaches. We handle all the domain, hosting and maintenance. Literally click the clone button to launch. Launch your new site, ready to make money, in literally just a few minutes. Because I have already done all the hard work. Thanks for watching. Get your Commission Creator app to start making money now.